Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. We're continuing our little tour through some of the classic characters and cartoons of the past. We started that tour by drawing Astro Boy, followed by Mighty Mouse. Adding to that lineup, you don't get more classic than Donald Duck. Donald joined the Disney lineup in 1934, and with his combination upbeat attitude and fiery temper, he soon became one of Disney's most popular characters. Being that he often has a bit of a chip on his shoulder, I thought we'd draw him that way. As always, all you need to follow along with me today is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow. Hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Donald Duck. We're going to draw Donald step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you watch any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, Donald is about 4 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 4 of those, not counting his right arm and his sailor hat. Okay, so let's draw the roadmap for Donald Duck. So there's a roadmap for Donald Duck. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put some of the character's features. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. One other thing, this is a challenging drawing. I don't want anyone getting discouraged. Stay with me. If you have to, pause or rewind and watch the segment over again. All right, so let's rough out those features for Donald Duck. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Donald Duck. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Donald Duck. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. Alright, so let's draw in those details for Donald Duck. Alrighty, there he is, Donald Duck. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Donald before, you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly, especially with that duck bill. You notice I don't spend time coloring him during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Donald Duck. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of Donald Duck. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #levelupcartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thank you for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.